Hello my spooky friends, it is Stacy. Welcome to Special Effects Makeup on a Budget, and today I am trying out the Perfect Eyeliner Eyeshadow Sticker Templates. These come from Shop Miss A. There are 12 of them, and they are actually sticker templates so that you put it over the eye, and I hope that this is something that's going to help me and you do better eyeshadow looks when it comes to that glam and gore look that you're looking for. So I'm going to try out all 12 today, and let's just see how it goes. So the eye primer that I'm using today is the Shadow Stay by Shop Miss A. I will link all the products into the description below, but I will put this on after I do every look. So it's going to take a little bit to get through 12, but we can do that. And I'm using the Lilac You A Lot. This is the purple palette because it is spring, summertime, and I just think these are beautiful colors, and I think they will show up and really let us know how good these stencils work. This is what they look like when they are peeled. Let me get... So I am going to go in on this side and place them where I want that. Now this looks like it's a little bit more for the an eyeliner instead of an eyeshadow. So I'm going to see how well this works based upon the placement of my eye. See if we can just get a wing out of this and how well these stickers work. And I always peel toward the direction of the face. Oh, that's nice. That's pretty nice. They could go in with a little bit more eyeshadow and make it a little bit bigger if we wanted to. And then we can run it across the eye. I like that one. That one's really nice. It's a nice wing. You've seen me do it with the tape. You've seen me do it in other ways. You've seen me wing it, literally. Haha, I got jokes. So I like that. I think that would help out a lot of people. I wish I had something like this when I started out, but I had to learn the hard way. Everything like this. I never had a wing that was like this, that matched. They were always kind of like with a higher wing. You see the separation of the tape. So let's give it a shot. A little bit more. I want that to show up. So let's see what this looks like. And I can tell that it's touching it all the way down. And I'm sure that placement has a lot to do with it. So you have to work in what eye shape that you want. I really wish that this part was taken off of here, this white, but there are ones that have a bigger opening in between. So we're just using them for exactly the shape that they say that they're going to give us. Now let's take a look at this one. Oh. So it did come off. So there's different ways to use these. So let's go back in. Placing it on the inner corner. Bringing it out and back down to the area that I had it. Now we're talking. There we go. Oh, be nice if I could get some things right the first time, wouldn't it? So let's see what this purple looks like all the way across. Oh, that's pretty. Doesn't really go all the way across, but there's a little bit of, oh, that's so sharp. Look at that, that's nice. Bringing a little closer, but you could just fill that part in with some more eyeshadow and a thin brush, something with more precision. But yeah, wow. Imagine not having to do a cut crease and constantly have to worry about cleaning up that wing and going in and using these stencils. I like this so far. This is really nice. So back in with my, just to show you that I am using the product. And I've used this for about 2 weeks now, and I really do like it. This eyeshadow primer is less than $2. And Shop Miss A, if you don't know anything about Shop Miss A, they are an brick and mortar store up out of Texas, and they are dollar store prices, but quality products. And that's why I recommend that you check them out. I've never had an issue with them. I've been ordering products from them for years. Not everything is a hit, but I've had more hits than misses. And I'm gonna get that piece out in the middle because I want this wing to go out, not touch the brow as much. I'm excited about these. It's gonna free up a lot of time, you know what I'm saying? And our time is always valuable, and that's why I appreciate it when you guys hang out with me, because you could be anywhere and you choose to hang out with me, and I just think that's very cool. No one wants to hang out with me but you guys, so thank you. I'm so excited for this one that... Ooh, that one fits a lot more. That's like, I would go out just like this. Wow, it's nice. Nice and sharp. Could bring it over a little bit more to connect. I like to connect my wing down here with my lower eyelash line. But that one is nice. Bet you can use these a couple times because they're sticking to the skin. They're not peeling my skin off or pulling it. And they are going back onto the board and staying left and right. Oh, I like that. That's nice. Almost don't want to take that off. But we will real quick. I'm not going to show you every time I wipe my eye, so I'm just going to go ahead and jump cut. So this next shape is called Everyday Eyeshadow. We will see about that. You know me, bold colors, I work all of it. I love makeup. I love playing in makeup, discovering new makeup, indie brand makeups. What I don't like is spending any kind of money on a product that doesn't work. But if this frees up time and it gets you out of that dreaded, oh my god, I have to do an eyeshadow for this look because I'm going to the Comic-Con and I'm going to wear this costume. Oh yeah, well, that's the line from that last look. It's almost double. Look at me. Happy accidents, right, Bob Ross? Right? Happy accidents. Oh, that is so pretty. I like that. Or a siren, a mermaid, you know. So that is definitely a fish's tail. So let's go in with this purple. Go in. Let's see. Let's check it out. Oh, I like that more than I thought I would. That's nice. I could see doing all kinds of artwork. Smink. I found something that's going to help me out. And if you don't know who Smink is, she did a collab with me a couple of weeks ago for the Northern Lights. Check her out because she doesn't need these. I do. You might not need them, but if it helps save time and money, yes, do it. But Smink, she doesn't need any help. She is a Picasso when it comes to artwork on the eyelids. Oh, that goes all the way up. She tall. This would be good for like the ombre look too, where you could bring in a little bit of color here and then blend it out for that other look. So let's see. Well, look at that. Oh. Yeah, I didn't put that little strip in down before. I pressed it down with my brush, but yeah, that's a double wingtip right there, my friends. And I do like that I brought it over so it goes all the way over and touches up above the crease. That one is nice. I like that. Simple eyeliner. This is eyeliner and eyeshadow, but I'm just using eyeshadow for less staining. By the way, in order to set this eye primer, I am using the Shop Miss A Perfect Setting Powder. It's very fun. It's a very good one. So far, all the products, Shop Miss A is 3 for 3. Right? Not staining on the eyeshadows. The stencils are working, except for me drawing outside the lines, which I've been known to do. Yeah, I had to clean that up. Look at me. Messed that all up. That classic outer V type of shape that you see me do. This is my everyday look. This would stop me from having to clean up anything. So let's see what this looks like with purple, and how about green? Let's do green. I haven't done green yet. Oh, I like that. It's a little bit of shimmer. Definitely would carry that over a little bit more, but you should get used to how it works and what you need to use on your eye. That's so pretty. They have named it Drama. So I'm going to make sure that this goes all the way down. That is dramatic. And peel it toward the eye. That's nice. Very dramatic. But how about we go in with the green, and then we take this to purple. And let's just blend the, ooh. Now that's mermaid vibes for sure, right? Ooh, that's so pretty. I love that. Oh, that's pretty too. Look at that. Oh, here we go. Oh. If this is getting a little bit raw, if this had a sound, it would definitely be in the people that clean office building windows. Squeegee. Oh, against. That's so raw. This will have to be the last one. Oh my God. Try to place this in the same area. Good luck with that. Here's the thing. Our bodies are not the same on each side. We're asymmetrical, so shoot for family members, cousins, sisters, not twins. Sisters, not twins. There we go. We have them. We have sisters. Oh, that's gonna be so pretty. Promise this is not an eyeshadow tutorial, but I just want that harsh line to be gone. I can't stand it if it's another way. This is the look for the day. Because of my fallout, I got, oh, I like that. I got an extra little. I'm wearing it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna wear it. I also found that on some of these stencils, like the part that comes off in the middle, you can use that for a negative space, like the fish eye here. Here is the fishtail, and it came, but the part of it that was on the inside that came out, which I didn't remove at first, is right here. And if you wanted to do a negative space, you can sit this anywhere on, and you can put eyeshadow around it and then remove that, and it would have no eyeshadow on it. So there are two different ways to use these. Some of them are big and don't have the area in between, but you can tell right here, this is part of the sticker. So when you peel it, this comes off with the black and that stays behind, and you can use this for negative space like I did for these back here. I'm happy with that, and I'm going to wear this for the rest of the day. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know if this is something that you're going to pick up. It's the Perfect Eyeliner and Eyeshadow Sticker Templates. It comes set of 12 left and right, and it is for $1 at Shop Miss A, and it will be linked below. But thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.